A major hurricane is threatening South Florida. Irma.
Batman, me wonder what we are going to do about the Hurricane Irma.
You don't worry yourself about that. Waterman say me go help me.
You sure?
Waterman, hurricane a come. Me go watch you.
Bumbo clock you call Waterman. You want me drape up your left front of my place and don't come back here, you hear me?
Alright boss.
Him say me go help we?
No, him say no.
Powerful ever recorded in the Atlantic. Craig Setzer is chief meteorologist at WFOR, our CBS station in Miami. Craig, how's the storm tracking?
Flash, tin file man. You know have to go help me stop the hurricane, you know.
How the fuck you call tin file man?
Then no tin file your suit me go to. Or a Siran wrap.
Batman, me not go can stay down here for the hurricane, you know. Me gonna New York.
Tin file man, you stay.
A cyborg my name, not tin file man. Me not stay for the hurricane. Gone. Yo, me have a way to stop the hurricane.
And the little fish that you drape me up on here. Lock him up, Commissioner, lock him up.
Batman, you can't call the man fish.
A fish that. I want to live in a. Come fish man. We have to go stop the hurricane. You ready, fish man?
Come on,
rats, guy, fish man.
Yo, we don't look like that stop the hurricane, you know. We're gonna need some more help.
You said you'd come. Now let's hope you're not too late.
Hobia! 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 Hobia!